Hi, my name is Michelle Biodrowski. I'm one of the environmental educators with Potawatomi Conservation, and I'm sitting in front of our pollinator garden in progress that we have here at Hitchcock Nature Center right in front of the lodge. This is an area that's going to be habitat for our very important pollinators, which are the animals that literally put food in our mouths. So most of the produce that we eat and a lot of the fun things that we eat, like chocolate and coffee, are very reliant on pollinators. Some of them wouldn't exist without pollinators. So our food security is very linked to pollinators, and pollinator health is linked to habitat. So to figure out how to make these pollinator gardens yourself, which you can do, and that is a direct way to help support our pollinator populations. You'll literally be raising pollinators in your own yard. We're going to have multiple workshops at the Council Bluffs Public Library to be able to learn how to do these things. Where do you put your garden? What plants do you put in your garden? How do you start this garden? And all of the different considerations that are important to make it easy for you and beneficial for pollinators. Our first workshop is February 9th at 6:30 in the evening, again at the Council Bluffs Public Library. We're going to be having other workshops following in the different months, and they will be building up all together on how to do a garden.